Nyongole kwaniriza ku mawulire agataliiko mutuntu mu bujjuvu bwago nga tandise ne pulezidenti w'ekibiina kya FDC Patrick Oboy Amuriat ategeeza ng'ekibiina kyakulembera bwe kitagenda kutiisibwa abo bayise bannakigwanyizi nga bano batuuse n'okutuuza Tabamiruka eyagaaniddwa olunaku olw'eggulo e Katonga. Okwogera bino abadde mu industrial area wano mu Kampala ku kitebe kyaffe ekya Vision Group ku Urban TV.
Come to National Nkumba. That is where the seat of this is found. You'll find power there. Okay. In the pictures, now you have seen the true person himself. Very, very nice meeting you.
This that took place yesterday is a fallacy. It's a nullity. It was something just for self pleasure. It's something that cannot stand anywhere. The resolutions can't stand in court. They cannot even stand with us, not with the structures of the party. And therefore, for me, I think it was a total waste of time. And if it pleased those who organized this particular meeting, so let it be. But, you know, it's not going to be of any consequence to the way in which FDC is run, and more so in terms of changing leadership in the FDC. We just have to be patient for the short time, the nearly 2.5 weeks before the meeting that will elect new leaders. So they may have fun, go to another extraordinary delegates conference, make fake resolutions, but those resolutions are not going to stand the test of the law. They are also not going to stand the test of time.